Hello children, hope you are in good health. And related to health, we are starting with the topic also health and hygiene. In this chapter, we are going to study what do we mean by allergy. Okay, we are going to study different types of allergens which cause the allergy. Then we will study the entry routes of allergens. Okay, the different parts of the body through which the allergen enter into our body. Next, we will be studying the symptoms of allergic reactions. What reactions the body shows when we are having allergy. Those symptoms we are going to study. For example, itching, coughing, sneezing. All these are the different types of reactions that are shown by the body when you have a particular allergy. Okay, so we are going to study that in detail in symptoms of allergic reactions. Next, we will be studying the types of allergies. Okay, during which part of the year a particular allergy is observed. Depending upon that, we will be studying the types of allergies. And lastly, we will be studying the preventive measures for allergic reactions. Okay, remember one thing, that allergy cannot be cured. Okay, it can be prevented. So how we can prevent a particular allergy, that we are going to study under the preventive measures, right? So we are going to start the chapter with what is allergy. Now, to start with this point, what is allergy, first we will discuss two cases so that you understand what is allergy, and then we will go further, right? Case 1. A girl called Dia, she went to her school, and during the lunch period she had a sandwich from her friend's tiffin box. Okay, but after eating the sandwich, she observed that she was not able to breathe. So she was rushed to the medical room of the school. Okay. There the doctor told that she had reacted to the peanut butter that was present in the sandwich. Okay. So the body did not accept the peanut butter. That is why she felt the breathlessness. Right. So this was the reaction showed by her body to the peanut butter, because her body did not accept the peanut butter. The body thought that the peanut butter is a danger to the body, right? Coming to the second case, a boy called Surjit, he had gone to a school trip and he visited a cloth making factory along with his other friends. Okay. Now, when they were in the factory, he started experiencing breathing issues. Okay, so he was rushed to the doctor. There he was told that his body reacted to the cotton dust. Okay, the small particles of the cotton has entered in his body, and because of that he was having the breathing issues. Okay, so these two cases are of allergy, right? What happens is, sometimes our body may react very intensely to certain substances, okay, in the surrounding, like the cotton dust that was in the surrounding that Surjit body reacted to. So sometimes our body will react to certain substances very intensely, and then we will develop several symptoms like itching, rashes, swelling, or as in these two cases was not able to breathe. Okay, so breathing issues, right? So these symptoms will be seen. What is the reason? The reason is, our body develops a defense mechanism to these substances. Okay, our body tries to fight against such substances, okay, which will be triggering these reactions to protect us. Understanding? So when such substances enter into our body will start fighting against those substances, because our body feels that those substances are threat to the body, danger to the body. Okay, so the reaction will be taking place in our body to protect us. So whatever symptoms are seen, breathing issues or rashes or swelling, those are the reactions which are shown by the body when such substances into our body, right? And these substances, they are called as allergens. Understanding? The substances to which the body feels are dangerous to the body, such substances are called as allergens. Okay, and the sensitivity of our body to such substances is called as allergy. Getting it? Okay, sensitivity to the allergens is called as allergy. Understanding? So this particular point explains what is allergy. So we will just go through the definition of allergy over here. Okay, allergy is a condition in which the body produces an abnormal immune response to certain substances. Okay, why abnormal immune response? See, peanut butter is not a danger to the body. Okay, many people will eat peanut butter and nothing will happen to them, but some people are sensitive to peanut butter, and that is why their body is fighting against that peanut butter. So that is called as abnormal immune response to peanut butter, to that particular substance. Okay, so allergy is a condition in which the body produces an abnormal immune response to certain substance. Okay, the immune system will recognize such substances as a threat, as a danger, and then our body will enter into the defense mode or into the immune response mode. Understanding? Immune response or immune system is the system which help us to fight against foreign substances that enter into our body. Okay, like the bacteria, the germs, right? So that is immune system. If you are not understanding the term immune system, so I have explained you over here. Okay children, so this is allergy. Fine.